Good morning, everybody. I want to share some results with you here, but first I want to talk about why ride-along training sucks and doesn't work for a number of reasons, okay? Eats up your precious time, takes way too long for new hires to catch on and actually connect the dots, causes an information overload. It's a huge risk of an investment of your time and energy because most people end up fizzling out because it doesn't work. This 18-year-old kid sold 20 contracts in 14 days after just going through my classroom style training with zero ride-along training. That means in 6 days or less, he was launched and sold 20 contracts. 18-year-old teenager, okay? So what that training includes is a trainer's guide, a training script, a 150-page sales training manual that has all the word-for-word scripts and everything like that in it. It's super easy. And the best part about it is when you use my recruiting system, you can have anywhere from 5 to 15 or 20 people in training in one class and train them in the exact same amount of time to have them go out, launch, and get results like these. So book a call with me. If you're finally tired of sitting on the sidelines, I want to talk to you personally about exactly how we can do this in your business. Book a call at this link, and I look forward to talking to you soon.